Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on how best to use Google Lens to search for anything with just image on Google Chrome browser in a new feature entirely. So let's find out. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure you open up your Chrome browser. This is a new way entirely on how best you can search for anything with just image or Google Chrome with your Google Lens. So when you open up your Chrome browser, what you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on Customize Chrome. Then this is going to pop up. You can simply scroll down right there and make sure you go to toolbar. Then under the toolbar, make sure you enable search with Google Lens. So make sure you turn on this. Once you turn this on, then you have the icon from the top right here, which is quite different from this particular search by image. It's not the same, just like so. Now, once you enable this, then you can simply make reference to this particular camera icon each time you want to use this feature. Let's say, for instance, I want to use this feature to search for Google. Now, what we want to do now is to simply go to this camera icon right here, click on the camera icon, and this is going to pop up. Select anything to search with Google Lens. Now, how do you select? We can simply drag all over an article like this. So this is just Google. Now, you can select text, we can translate, we can copy image. These are stuff you can do with this new Google Lens image search. So here, you can scroll down here and see quite a lot of information about this. Now, if you want to copy the image, simply click on copy as image. Now you can see the image as successfully copied and you can save it on your PC. We just need to go back to camera icon right here. Once we go back to the camera icon, let's say for instance you want to search for YouTube. And for us to search for YouTube, we need to go back to the camera icon, and once we click on the camera icon, it becomes active. Then we can take it to YouTube icon right here. We can simply snap it. Once you snap it, it's going to give you the actual result. So we can also shrink and adjust if we go beyond what exactly we want to search, just like what you see right here. Now I'm looking for exactly YouTube icon, just like so. You have variety result for YouTube search icon. Okay, you can also use this to find out the name of font or what have you. Let's say for instance we want to copy this as image. You can also click on copy as image, then you are good to go. Now we can further our search right here. Let's for instance I'm going to click on any of the link right here. Now it takes me to a YouTube video.
Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And
alright, so on getting to this particular YouTube channel, we can decide to get some information from the video, such as the image or some text from the image, from the video. And for us to do that, we just want to go back to this icon right here and then select anything to search with Google Lens. So let's, for instance, we want to copy this information right here. We are going to select all and it's going to capture. Then we can click on select text. So you can see from the sidebar right here, everything has been fully written right here. So we can decide to translate. So when you click on translate, it translates all the information. It opens up a translation page. So here you can translate from one language to another language. It's that simple. Okay, so let's for instance we want to translate from this. We want to translate from this language to English language or whatever. So we can simply select another language right here to Bulgaria. So it's going to translate everything for us. Then we can come down below right there and click on copy, just to copy the information. So I'm going to close this tab right here. So we can also check on the description of this video right here. Click on here. So these are a few descriptions about this video. Now let's say we want to copy the description of the video. We want to go back to the lens right here. Then we have to make sure we select the description right here. Then we have it right here. We can also open it in a translate. So with help of Google Gemini AI, it's going to advance this description if you like. But if you want the exact description, we can simply open a translate section window. So once you open the translate window, you can see the description right here. Now, this is English to English. So this is exactly the description, like as you can see. Google and YouTube have not set the cursor of the huge YouTube problem on Wednesday. So this is just the description. We can decide to change from English to another language. So I'm going to click on the another language right here. So I can decide to change this to Albania. So when you scroll down, you have the translation right here. One very good thing right here is that we can listen to this particular translation. Click on this icon.
YouTube nu che canăță nășcă pune probleme vetă mă dată YouTube të mă curând.
It's that simple. So this is one of the best way to use Google Lens in a new feature and a new dynamic way. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.